saw a big fish on this point, we came back at moon underfoot, and this guy showed up. Not as big as the one we saw, but he's still pretty good. And put this guy back.